The child fell off her bike. The child fell off her bike. You had better take an umbrella. It's going to rain. You had better take an umbrella. It's going to rain. I would prefer coffee to tea. I would prefer coffee to tea. I would rather stay home than go out. I would rather stay home than go out. They have played tennis. They have played tennis. She has seen this movie. She has seen this movie. I have never been there. I have never been there. She is swinging on swing in park. She is swinging on swing in park. I haven't finished my homework. I haven't finished my homework. We have studies mathematics. We have studies mathematics. He has just eaten lunch. He has just eaten lunch. Let's find out the answer. Let's find out the answer. She baked the cake last night. She baked the cake last night. The mechanic repaired the car. The mechanic repaired the car. We are used to the cold weather. We are used to the cold weather. She is used to playing guitar. She is used to playing guitar. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. She is cooking dinner now. She is cooking dinner now. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. They are playing in the garden. They are playing in the garden. He cleaned his room today. He cleaned his room today. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. We are watching television. We are watching television. I am learning English daily. I am learning English daily. He is drinking a glass of water. He is drinking a glass of water. She opened the door slowly. She opened the door slowly. They are walking on the road. They are walking on the road. He is fixing the broken chair. He is fixing the broken chair. I am waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend.